Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the 6 reasons you are not making money online and also how to fix that problem. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. And I stumble up on my words, but I'm leaving that in the video. So with that being said, what are the 6 reasons why you are not making money online and how you can absolutely fix it? So the very first thing is you are chasing money. So many people focus on, chasing money, getting the money right away and doing all that. And you see that in Facebook groups all the time, people that are looking for the best affiliate program and they don't even have a niche. They have nothing about that. And by the way, if you want to know that, I have things explaining, like some videos explaining what products you should choose, and I believe it was probably yesterday's video. But if not, it wasn't an old video. So the thing that you have to do is focus on the vision, focus on bringing value to everyone, because otherwise it just won't work. You have to bring value at every stage that you can think of, and that is the way you are going to make some money. Like, focus on bringing value, focus on giving as much as possible, and that's the way you are going to get some money back. If you don't do that, you're just trying to get some money. People are going to realize that, and they're not going to like you, they're not going to follow you, they're not going to buy anything from you. So that's the very first thing. Focus on the vision instead of chasing the money. Now the second reason is not enough hours. You have to be consistent for a very, very long time and don't quit too early. People who quit most of the time is just before they start to make some money. So you really have to put in the work all the time. Like, I put out videos every single day. I've been doing that for a long time. I've got hundreds and hundreds of videos out. So if some people are just like, I put 5 videos out and I'm still not making money, what am I doing wrong? Well, you're doing nothing wrong. It's just that you have to continue, and the thing that you're doing wrong is your mindset that you have to fix, that you're not going to get money overnight with 5 videos or even 1. Some people are wondering why they didn't make money when they made just 1 video. No, you really have to be consistent, make a ton of content, like give and give and give, and just do that for a very, very long time and be consistent. If you're doing like a video every single day, then if you say you're going to do it. Like, if you're putting out a video every other day, then get a video every 2 days. But you have to absolutely do that, because if you're not focused on that, you're not going to get anywhere. People are going to forget about you if you don't put out a video for like a week or 2 weeks, and you put out a video whenever you feel like it. You can't do that. You actually have to do it whether you feel like it or not, and that way is the way that you're going to make it. But you really have to be consistent for a long time. You have to put in the work, you have to put in the hours, and that's just the way it is. There's no way around it. You really have to do it that way. So don't quit too early, but be consistent, and get it into your mind that it might take quite some time. So the step number 3 kind of ties into that one, and it's not taking action, like not taking enough actions. I see so many people that have a YouTube channel, they started their channel and maybe they put out 1 video and that's it. Like, they're just bored of it, or I don't know what they have. They're not interested in what they're talking about. Maybe they're scared because a lot of people haven't made a video, and that may be you, but I'm here to solve your problem. So if you haven't put out a single video and you're scared of getting in front of the camera, you just have to get over that fear and actually do that. So there's no real way around it. Just get yourself to understand that most people will not see your first video, but then you just have to keep on improving yourself, and the only way to improve yourself is getting better, is like doing the actual work. So your first video will probably suck, but you just have to do it. If you've recorded your first video but you don't feel like it's right to put it online, then just do it anyway, because that will like get you to just upload whenever you feel, whenever you want, and whenever like you actually do want to do it. Like, there's no real way around it. You just have to focus on actually like taking the action and doing it. And it's the same thing, like some people are making these videos but then they don't have a sales funnel. So if you want a sales funnel, you can join my Builderall team right down below. It's the cheapest way to do that. But some people are not doing that. They are just like putting out YouTube videos, but then they don't want to invest in themselves. And that's, I'm getting ahead of myself because that was step number 6. So I'll jump back to number 4 in a bit. But the one thing is not investing in yourself. You have to actually learn. Like, I was at this mastermind the other day, an online mastermind, and I have to do that like all the time, and you have to do it too. You have to build a sales funnel. It's cheap, but it does cost some money, and you have to do that. You have to invest in yourself. There's no way around it. If you just like create YouTube videos and try to grow your audience without investing in yourself, that's a big mistake. And by the way, that mistake was one that I made when I first started this channel. You really have to invest in yourself and actually like build a funnel. There's some really cheap ways to do it. Well, there's a cheap way, which is in the description. Like I said, Builderall is like the cheapest way. But like, you really have to invest in yourself. If you don't have like a sales page, a sales funnel, then you are like left behind everyone that actually does have one. Even if they have less smaller following than you, even if you're just like, the best way to do it is when you put out your first video, then you build a sales funnel. That's like the biggest mistake that I made, because when you get 10,000 views on your channel, then like if you start right from the start, then everybody that you have will have a chance to sign up. And if they don't, then like if you do that 6 months down the line, then you missed out on a ton of other people. So really focus on doing that, create a sales funnel, make some videos, and be consistent with it. So as I said, let's jump right back into number 5, which is avoiding failure. And that kind of ties into every other step. It's, people are scared of failure and they're avoiding it. They don't want to do some different things because they might fail. They might not get a sale. Like, let's take the example of building a sales funnel. Maybe you will not get a sale, so you don't want to invest a bit of money because you might lose that money. And you might not want to make a YouTube videos because people will laugh at you or something like that. But that's the biggest mistake, because failure is part of the game. It's like, as soon as you fail, then that's one step closer. If you don't fail, you're not getting anywhere. So failure is part of the game. All you have to do is just keep going consistent and just doing it over and over and over again. And that is the way that you're going to grow your channel. And that's the way you're going to grow your income. That's the way you're going to grow as a person. That's the way you're going to grow everything. It's by not avoiding failure. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.